I'm David Schneider. I'm chef and co-owner of the Chef's Warehouse restaurant at Maison. So designing the menu today, it was actually not a very difficult process because I got so much direction from the crockery. They really spoke to me in terms of chicken, beef, fish, duck. So looking at the Cosmos range, it reminded me of this beautiful stone cottage on a farm. That's where I really got the inspiration for doing a beautiful farm-style roast chicken. No frills, no fuss. With the Bloom range, I'm serving confit duck legs. It just struck me as these beautiful negative spaces on the plate, hand-painted floral patterns. So I just thought something very, very minimalistic. The Heartwood range really has a lot of movement that remind me of the currents in the ocean. So to serve fish on them made absolute sense. For the Quacha range, kind of brought me back to the Stone Age. Rounded patterns that kind of look like weathered boulders. Beef would really suit it because we need something hardy to stand up to that monochromatic pattern that's on there. And then all I needed to do was look at what's in season, what we have growing in the garden, to decide what to put with those proteins. We've got beetroots, baby carrots, parsnips, fennel. There's berries in season right now. So all those things kind of trickle down and help my decision-making process. So the number one thing about this menu is I really just wanted it to be approachable. I wanted people of all skill sets to find some challenges, but also a lot of satisfaction in being able to cook and prepare these items really, really well. And most importantly, I want this to be enjoyed by the family, not just when it comes to eating, but also when it comes to preparing a meal.